Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the global launch event of Mindray BS-600M Chemistry Analyzer. For the next 30 minutes, we will try to present to you in different aspects how the new BS-600M is taking biochemistry testing to the next level.
Dear friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It is our great pleasure to have you here at the Mindray BS-600M Chemistry Analyzer launch event. Mindray provides a variety of clinical chemistry solutions to meet the needs of different laboratories. From benchtop and standalone chemistry analyzers to scalable modular systems, Mindray biochemistry solutions have been widely recognized by customers in more than 150 countries around the world. Today, we are very excited to launch our new chemistry analyzer, BS-600M, designed specially for the medium sample size laboratories. It not only helps them improve working efficiency, but also save the cost and deliver reliable results. Now, I would like to invite our product manager of biochemistry R&D division, Dr. Wang, to share the stories behind BS-600M development. Hi, Dr. Wang. As we know, Mindray is committed to developing new products in response to the voice and the feedback of the customers. Would you please share the ideas and visions of BS-600M development with us?
Thanks, Alex. Nowadays, laboratories around the world are facing a growing demand for higher quality of care, faster turnaround time, and lower operating costs. We have scanned more than 500 labs among 20 countries to get customers' real voice. Therefore, it is fair to say that BS-600M is completely tailor-made for mid-sized labs to address their specific concerns and pain points.
That is really amazing. The demand of our customers is our eternal motivation to develop new products. Would you like to share with us the main technologies adopted in BS-600M?
Sure. I would like to introduce some technologies in BS-600M which improve the efficiency and accuracy. BS-600M integrates a robotic sample handler to make sample loading and uploading more convenient. For HbA1c tests, BS-600M can support on-board hemolysis without any manual sample preparation. BS-600M system with original reagent and calibrator ensures the traceability, and the trueness verification analysis in our R&D laboratory can improve the clinical results accuracy. In addition, BS-600M closed systems are embedded with many intelligent software functions, such as carryover pairs management and abnormal reaction detection, which can help greatly decrease the number of abnormal false results, making the results more reliable.
By using these innovative technologies, BS-600M has achieved a significant improvement in reliability and efficiency. So how about the cost per test? Would it be increased as well?
Lower laboratory cost is our internal pursuit. BS-600M is no exception. It is worth mentioning that actually the cost is not increased, but decreased significantly. The minimum reaction volume is significantly decreased, especially on HbA1c tests, which can reduce the expensive reagent consumption. We adopt a new technology of electrodes, polymer members for ICE solution, which makes them more reliable and durable, and reduce the electrode replacement frequency. For cleaning detergent, we also optimize the cleaning process and reduce the detergent cost.
Thank you, Dr. Wang. As we can see, BS-600M is really like a seed of hope with dedication and care. So I believe it will greatly help laboratories achieve their goals and receive praise from customers worldwide.
What is the test volume of Mindray BS-480 Chemistry Analyzer you're currently using?
So, due to the expansion of our hospital, the volume of tests right now has gone up by 30%. And now we deal with 100 samples per day, and per month we have reached the amount of 12,000 tests. BS-480 is a little bit overworked right now, as it does 4 to 6 batches of tests per day, working from 8 a.m. all the way to 2 p.m.
How's your overall experience with BS-480 so far?
Well, so far so good. The BS-480 system runs quite smoothly with the original reagents. The only issue that we find is quite inconvenient to load and rerun samples with the sample carousel. We have to pause the sample probe every time we need to add a new batch of samples, emergency samples, or add quality controls and a calibrator during the test. Also, the detergent and the water position are inside the sample carousel, so it's not convenient to check and supply them while the instrument is running. We must pause the sample probe before we can do so. These pauses resulting in a slower test speed, a prolonged time of report for patients while increasing our manual workload.
We understand the problems you're facing, especially the increased sample volume. It is indeed not efficient to manually pose the probe every time you need to add some new samples for tests.
That's right. In order to keep up with increasing demand from doctors and patients for shorter TAT, we hope for a faster chemistry analyzer that can allow us to feed batches into the machine continuously and directly without stopping and without increasing the cost and the dimension.
The number of diabetes patients is on the rise across the country. Hemoglobin A1C has proved to be highly helpful in the diagnosis and monitoring of diabetes. In our laboratory, we handle an average of around 20 samples for hemoglobin A1C testing every day. The samples should be centrifuged and manually hemolyzed before they can be loaded onto the instrument. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to perform sample pretreatment. This is very time-consuming and exposes the technicians to increase it by hazardous risks. On the other hand, hemolyzed samples need to be loaded by microtubes, which makes it impossible to manage sample results with barcodes.
In our laboratory, we are often plagued by the problem that abnormal results may be reported for specimens from patients in certain pathological conditions with extremely high analyte concentrations. Our chemistry system cannot detect and manage such situations intelligently, which sometimes causes the result measured by the analyzer to be falsely low and increase the risk of missed diagnosis. We also need to spend more time on performing coarse analysis and setting the dilution ratio to rerun samples. Sometimes we need to dilute sample repeatedly to achieve true results. All this has a severe impact on the working efficiency and the turnaround time.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us at this event. This is Mindray's new chemistry analyzer, BS-600M. It is very carefully designed in a compact size. its photometric speed is 600 test power constant and up to 800 test power with ICs. With a footprint of only 1.2 square meter, BS-600M is one of the top performers in terms of throughput per square meter. BS-600M provides powerful and efficient functions that can meet customers' specific needs comprehensively. Let's start with its innovative sample delivery system. Up to 120 samples can be loaded continuously by racks without the need to pause the sample probe when adding new samples, calibrators, or controls during running. 30 dedicated positions are available for start, which helps ensure start priority and a start time as quick as 1 minute. Another powerful function is onboard auto-hemolysis with whole blood for HbA1c tests, which effectively eliminates manual pretreatment and reduces biohazardous risks and home errors. In addition, BS-600M can creatively evaluate the hemoglobin concentration in the process of hemolysis and automatically start sample increasement tests for anemia samples with no hemoglobin concentration. This function can remarkably expand the linearity range of hemoglobin, which in turn helps reduce the rerun rate and reagent waste. More importantly, the reaction volume for HbA1c tests is significantly decreased, which contributes to around 30% lower cost per test. A totally new IC solution is integrated in BS-600M. The electrodes adopt new films made of special materials instead of traditional polyfoil films, which greatly improves their capability in iron selection and anti-corrosion. Therefore, the electrodes have a 9 months or even longer service time, which reduces the maintenance frequency. Furthermore, the SIP cycle for membranes is only once per hour, which means lower consumption of IC reagent. As the result, the IC's cost per test is reduced by more than 35%. BS-600M also incorporates many other powerful functions, such as intelligent detection, alarming, and auto-rerun for abnormal reactions, fast input of quantity control and calibrator target values by barcode scanning, intelligent operation interface and breathing LEDs, automatic water quality monitoring, and so on. All these powerful functions in BS-600M can maximize work efficiency as well as cost efficiency, and deliver an amazing experiences for lab technicians.
As Bryce presented, Mindray BS-600M Chemistry Analyzer provides many powerful functions to maximize the working efficiency. But that's not all. In addition, BS-600M also provides powerful performance at lower costs. Sigma metric performance. As we know, sigma metrics have become a useful tool for benchmarking the performance of methods. Mindray R&D used the sigma metric chart to plot the performance of routine biochemistry parameters on BS-600M. The majority, around 75% of the plotted performance, falls in the world-class or 6 sigma zone, and around the 95% tests have 6 sigma and 5 sigma performance. On this chart, we can see that no tests show a performance of 3, 2, or less than 2 sigma. A high sigma performance means high quality of measurement, which can improve the clinician confidence and satisfaction. Sigma metric not only allows benchmarking the performance, but it also allows laboratory to design the quality control process, including the QC rules and the frequency of control measurements. Mindray's BS-600M system with high sigma performance can help a laboratory reduce the QC measurement, simplify the QC rules, and shorten the turnaround time. Therefore, troubleshooting caused by false QC violations and the consumption of QC and reagent also can be reduced significantly. Hemoglobin A1C performance. Hemoglobin A1C is now recommended in diagnosis and screening of diabetes. There's little difference between normal and diabetic hemoglobin A1C concentrations. As a result, small errors in the measurement of hemoglobin A1C will indeed have a high impact on the clinical interpretation. Therefore, laboratories should focus on both accuracy and the reproducibility of hemoglobin A1C tests. With this in mind, Mindray Hemoglobin A1C AC on BS-600M Chemistry Analyzer aims to meet the accepted accuracy and precision criteria and provide reliable hemoglobin A1C results for clinical decision-making. Mindray Hemoglobin A1C reagent with enzymatic method can specifically detect glycated N-terminal amino acids from the hemoglobin beta chains, which can effectively avoid interference from hemoglobin variants and ensure no interference from other hemoglobin derivatives. So, Mindray's enzymatic hemoglobin A1C method can give reliable and cost-efficient results at the first measurement to reduce further confirmations. ISE performance. The measurement of sodium, potassium, and chloride is an important part of the routine tests performed in the clinical laboratories. Mindray BS-600M integrates a new generation direct ISE model, whose performance was improved significantly. Mindray ISE tests can be traceable to international reference method and shows excellent accuracy with a very small relative bias compared to the reference material. What's more, the system also delivers outstanding precision performance, which is in the lead in the field of ISE detection. As stated above, the powerful performance of Mindray BS-600M allows it to offer most credible results at a reduced cost and to enhance clinician confidence and satisfaction.
In today's climate of patient care, laboratories around the world are facing a growing demand for higher quality of care, lower operating costs, and faster turnaround time. The Mindray BS-600M Chemistry Analyzer is intended to help laboratories achieve their goals. BS-600M is a compact chemistry testing system that can deliver maximized throughput in a minimal footprint of 1.2 square meters. The robotic sample handler helps to maximize the sample loading capacity. Continuous sample loading by racks also contributes to higher efficiency and increases walk-away time. Stat samples can be run quickly in around 1 minute. This means that results can be reported promptly to allow doctors to make critical decisions for patients. Onboard hemolysis with whole blood samples for HbA1c tests can simplify the laboratory workflow. Online pre-treatment without any manual intervention also reduces biohazardous risks and human errors. Caliber and control values are input by QR code scanning intelligently, which helps to improve work efficiency and eliminate human mistakes. Besides its powerful functions for maximum working efficiency, BS-600M also provides powerful performance with reduced costs. The BS-600M Chemistry Analyzer can provide excellent quality of results with a substantially lower reaction volume to a minimum of 70 microliters, which ensures reduced cost of reagents for laboratories. The integrated ISE module offers reliable sodium, potassium, and chloride results, which can be reported together with photometric chemistry tests. The ISE electrodes have a 9-month stability period, which is sufficiently long to help reduce the replacement frequency and cut down the cost of electrolyte tests. BS-600M, with Mindray original reagents, can lower the inaccuracy and imprecision, which contributes to achieving world-class and excellent sigma metric performance. Systems with higher sigma level can help laboratories offer high level of quality at reduced costs and enhance clinician confidence and satisfaction. BS-600M is designed to incorporate more innovative technologies and be more user-friendly, making the system be powerful yet efficient. Therefore, it enables laboratories improve working efficiency and save the cost. Moreover, it helps reduce false results risks and enhance the quality of patient care.
Our laboratory is commercially testing for samples and report to the hospital. We participate in the CAP survey and obtain KSLM Excellent Laboratory Certification and E-Cross Quality Control Certification. Now we have around 3,000 to 4,000 samples a day. Both chemistry and immunoassay tests are running with Cobas 8000 in Roche TLA solution. The evaluation shows that BS-600M is reliable with good precision. HbA1c has great capability of anti-interference, like bilirubin, hemolysis, hemoglobin variants or derivatives. And the methodological comparison study shows that BS-600M has very high correlation with Roche Cobas 8000 when running daily patient samples.
Hello, this is Chang-Sik from Medista in South Korea. We have been working with Mindray for more than 17 years, and we are very excited to see a new chemistry analyzer BS-600M is going to launch. BS-600M looks very beautiful with many new designs and useful functions as a rack type sample loading. This compact size is really suitable for our market. It is amazing to know that improved hemoglobin A1c test and IEC function provided as a basic specification and CPT is decreased at the same time. We think BS-600M will be a very powerful chemistry analyzer in our market.
The BS-600M will redefine what a chemistry analyzer can do in your laboratory. The powerful function, powerful performance, and efficient operation redefines the productivity of the labs in facing the increasing workload challenges, quality, and the turnaround time. So let's put our hands together and welcome the new entrant in Mindray instrument family, which will make a lot of difference in chemistry testing.
BS-600M launched by Mindray is an excellent product to bridge the gap in this portfolio of biochemistry. Now the medium-sized customers also can take the benefit of high-end modular systems. I'm sure this will be the most promising product for the industry of chemistry. Thank you and cheers, all the best.
I'm glad to know Mindray presents the new chemistry analyzer BS-600M this year, a powerful and accessible analyzer for medium lab. The new functions improve the automation and effectiveness in the lab. Hope BS-600M could make a big success in the global market, especially in Saudi Arabia.
First of all, I can congratulate Mindray for this achievement. Now we are very happy and we are very in hurry to register and to see these machines in most of our end user clients. We don't have time for this. We can't wait to register and go and show with this brand, with this model to our clients.
I like the flexibility, the design, and the rack loading system, which will basically bring a solution to continuous loading for our customer demands. So I'm looking forward to experience with the analyzer. Thank you.
BS-600M is a compact chemistry testing system that can deliver maximized throughput in a minimal footprint. The new analyzer is designed to incorporate more innovative technologies and be more user-friendly. BS-600M will empower laboratories to improve working efficiency, save costs, and deliver reliable results. Finally, enhance the quality of care.
Online A1C function is an effective solution for the laboratories. Also, traceable A1C supports the patient monitoring. On the other hand, rack loading unit and new ISA technology make us stronger in this segment. Happy selling, everyone.
Our IVD marketing team looking forward to BS-600M launch in international market. Wish Mindray business unit and the Mindray company the good luck in the BS-600M series.
Hello everyone, I'm Shane, Director of International IVD Marketing. It's really nice to have you here with us again today for another industry-changing new product launch by Mindray. Now, as you have heard throughout today's presentations, our BS-600M solution is powerful yet efficient. And that's a key message that I want to close with today. Now, in developing our BS-600M, we did a worldwide market research focused on your needs and pain points. This is why we incorporated such robust features to empower you to grow your lab with increased productivity and efficiency. BS-600M is a complete package. It has high throughput with industry-leading small footprint, advanced automated sample loading, whole blood HbA1c testing, improved ISE with lower consumption, and many other modern features that together with our full panel of original manufacturer chemistry reagents will empower your lab with the tools that you need to grow. At Mindray, we are committed to making healthcare within reach for all labs worldwide. No matter your test volume, budget, or location, we strive to make the most advanced diagnostic solutions accessible to you. Now, BS-600M is the latest milestone in our mission, but we hope it will be the start of your new path to success. So thank you everyone for joining us today, and we wish you a successful and prosperous 2022. Thank you.